Currently 7:26. Supposed to be getting ready for Universal, but somebody's still in bed.
Why are you still in bed?
We're supposed to be leaving by 8 o'clock, but she's there. Update. She's out of the shower now.
7:53.
Finally left.
It's only 9:05.
The park's open.
It's okay.
Wow, Patch Coffee?
Oh, solid coffee.
Like a solid coffee. Finally taking me to a place where she always studies. Wow. Wow, so cute. Thanks, solid coffee roasters. My sister, look at my sister.
And can nobody tell me nothing?
For some reason, he got lost. Well, that's what I'm saying. You could have pulled up and then asked him. I'm confused still. We made it. We're here in City Walk.
It is 10:33.
It's our birthday.
It's our birthday.
Right. Also, we're here because... So her birthday is on March 29th. Mine is on April 12th. And we're finally here going to Universal for our birthday.
Friday, June 7th.
Such
Totally.
late birthday celebration. We gotta get our tickets, bro.
Oh my goodness. We got it.
You don't understand my excitement right now. I'm here again. I'm here again. This dude right behind me, right there, he thought it was crazy. That was crazy. We're finally in Hogsmeade. Oh yeah, of course it is. We're in Broomsticks. We just finished eating. Now we're heading to get some butterbeer.
Butterbeer. Real or non-alcoholic?
We shall see. Stay tuned. Check out my socks. Yes. Thank you. Got it. Came. Conquered. Butterbeer. They're killing it. And it's non-alcoholic. It's a frozen butterbeer.
Like, oh, sorry.
Excuse me, you got in my shot. We left Harry Potter Hogsmeade. We're gonna go on studio tours.
The street ends, as you can see. Also, another pretty cool camera technique, if you look on either side of the tram and you look up at the building.
Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you just have them in your hand.
Future films. The first eco-friendly cars from Fast and Furious franchise. Collection from Transformers. Now I want you to see that fighter vehicle because that.
Oh hell no.
I am so sorry. Nothing to worry about. It's a regular California trip. As I was saying, you can set it up to give you a quick.
Oh my god.
Oh man, okay. Alright guys, I'm fine.
Oh my god.
Amity Island. Ignore the beach closed sign.
George needs help.
Get out of the water, George!
Poor guy. Oh. George. Poor George. Poor George.
Well, I guess that's my ex-boyfriend now. Yikes. Well, we're just gonna hide behind the pier here with all the fun playing that was pulled apart specifically for the production.
Someone's car alarm's going off. Beep beep. A little sad. That used to be Jurassic Park, but now it's gonna be Jurassic World, which isn't open yet until. I think I spotted a raptor. But we're gonna go on the Mummy. Let's go. Let's do this. Also, shout out to my mom for this ride. Long story short, we convinced her to go on this ride and she thought it was gonna be really, really slow. But in reality, it was really fast and she wanted to kill us.
I told my mom the same thing. I was like, no.
Shout out to our moms. So, we're about to go. She's terrified of beetles. Mummy is like the worst thing she should be on. Actually, not really. I don't like. Are you scared of the beetle? He's talking about that thing right there.
That small hurtful thing.
Came out alive. She didn't die from beetles. Where to next, friend?
Transformers. Autobots, roll out.
Autobots, roll out.
55 minutes.
Oh, psych.
Autobots, we rolling out.
Whether I'm at Disneyland or not. Who is this? Oh my god, help. And now we enter a 45-minute wait. Sorry, West Coast. I think I'm transferring to Hogwarts. Yeah. I know. When you can be a wizard. All the mandrakes. Oh, I want it!
Showing off your mother Mars.
Also because we're taking a break before we go into The Walking Dead. We're gonna find a bathroom before we go into The Walking Dead.
Yeah,
we might shit our pants.
a-
Tell them where we're going.
The Walking Dead.
But yeah, I don't know if I still want to film as we go through. I am ready to walk through.
Don't dead open inside.
Here, do not carry your children. No.
Scooby-Doo.
It was okay. There's barely any zombies, but yeah. Still got her. She got scared of a gunshot though.
I know.
Not the actual zombie. It was the effect. Thanks, bud.
Somebody once told me
It's about to start, so come on, let's get it. Break it.
I got
We're done.
I'm so excited. Going to Waterworld. This is not a ride.
It's a show.
It's a show. Killing it. Killing it. Hello? Hagrid? Are you home? We've carried the funnel cake all the way back to Harry Potter World. Hogsmeade.
Whoa, look at that.
One more bite.
Go on, man.
What's up, buddy? Oh, it's Disneyland. every flavor beans. Goodbye. Goodbye, Harry. Goodbye, Harry. And Ron.
We gotta go on City Walk.
Oh,
Go
good
straight up this way. Yeah. Well, I don't know what they'll do, but maybe. Margaritaville.
Oh yeah.
Boy, look, I guarantee.
By the clear paint.
It was, again, recap, it was our birthday, March 29th and April 12th. It is currently June 7th, right?
I mean, close enough.
Whatever, close enough.
We're graduating.
So, what just happened? Who are we to be? We're not in high school.
We just graduated Boo Boo Coast University.
Can I have a high five? Sweet. I'm really bored. So really tired. Yeah. We've come to the end of our trip. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
This rabbit's thick, right? Oh yeah, this rabbit.
Dedicated, took the time, wasn't long until I called you mine. Yeah, yeah. Zoom, 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 zoom. Come on, pitch perfect.
Oh, I'm
Did you
And I need you.
into the sky? Do you think time would pass me by?